QBX. Just gonna pull all the panels off and get after it. We'll put them on when we're done. Inside here, there are some cables. We got cables from the I/O on the front of the case. Mic and whatnot. We'll plug that into the motherboard later. Some twisters holding stuff together here. The case came with a bunch of little zip ties and stuff to do some cable management. Okay. This ends up plugging into the power supply later. Pull these screws out. Take this side carriage thing off. I'll be able to see in there a little better, and this probably won't ever go back on. And we are joined by George, the dog. Hey, what are you doing down here? Put that over here. So we got ourselves a big open space to work in, which is nice. Nice to see. Trying to get some more light in here. It is dark. Oh, that's a little better. Ain't no YouTube studio, but it's something. Jamming the power supply. Should only go in one way. It's a lot of freaking cables here. Okay, I'm gonna undo these. Okay, we're gonna toss this thing in. Fits in the little bracket nice. This is what I read about. Okay. Obstacle number 1. Officially mounted. Okay, trying to keep things separate here. Cable management is going to be a fun time.